Alright, so you know when the legends and team elite come in the building and we in the same building together, it's about to be something serious.
What?
And you guys gotta stay tuned to see exactly what we got going on. I mean, it's about to be monstrous. It's about to be serious. I mean, just look where we at. So you already can see right now that we is not playing.
And Team Legends and Elite is about to bring home the bag.
What bag?
If you guys don't know about it, you're about to know about it.
What is it? Oh, we can't tell.
It's a secret.
Oh, we can't tell you.
You're gonna have to wait, baby. You don't want to miss it.
I can't wait to see it.
So stay plugged in. You gotta be watching what we got going on and what we're doing, because what we're doing is gonna be monstrous and it's gonna be the biggest things to take over 2022. That's right, it's 2021. We get ready for 2022. So for you to be with us, you got to stay tuned and be ready to take action.
Take action. Take action.
Yeah, and let me just tell you something. We're preparing for 2022 right now, but just know, come the end of this month, beginning of December, be ready to take action, because you are not gonna want to miss this.
We're gonna sweeten the pot. We're looking for the best of the best.
Best of the best of the best of the best of the best.
We're looking for team leaders right now. We're looking for people that want to line up with other strong leaders. Why? Because we're inviting y'all to one of the biggest parties that's gonna go down. We're gonna launch. That's right.
A party?
We telling y'all. So look, we want you to come down to rock with us at an exclusive mansion.
You wanna go?
I want to go.
Everybody's not gonna be able to be there. Everyone's not gonna make it. We're looking for the creme de la creme. We're looking for the top. We're looking for legends.
We got 10 spots. That's
10
all
spots.
we got. 10 spots.
Literally.
Just give me 10.
Literally 10 spots for the biggest party of the year that will set you up for an entire lifetime.
We're in Cancun right now. We flew all the way down here just to organize this, just to talk about it. It's that powerful.
Powerful. Powerful stuff.
So when you see us at this mansion party, when you see that, because you're going to see us taking these steps, please don't be step 3. You need to be in step 2, really step 1.
Be first or be last.
You ever seen companies really blow up? How did they do it? They was first. They was making sure they was in it in the beginning, not in the end. You don't want to get in when it's all saturated, it's old, it's all over your timeline. When it's on your timeline, it's too late. So look, we're trying to tell y'all to get in now. We're trying to tell you to get a hold of us now. You see me, you see her, you see him. Get with one of us, because we're going to take you to the top and have you break with the people at the top already. You know what we're capable of. You already see what I've done.
Well, I know what you're capable of.
You know you see what they've done already. I mean, hey, our reputation speaks for itself.
Hey, first in, first to win, baby.
Let's go.
Elite legends, let's go.